So I'm having an issue where my door handle gets really stuck to the point where you gotta push real hard to get it open. And it doesn't ever release. So I need to take the door handle off to try to fix that. First we'll remove this doorknob handle right here by pushing in this little tab. And then you can pull this off. You can use a flathead screwdriver to push it in. And then just wiggle it off, just like that. You can then remove these two screws right here and right here. Let these screws loosen, and then take them out. And this whole piece comes out. Now to remove the outside handle, you need to take this cover off that has a screw behind it. Underneath, right down here, there's a little gap that you can put a screwdriver on, just pop it off. Okay, with the screw loosened, take it out. And then on the front here, this whole door handle should come off. There's that holding it on. Here's the handle. So what you're gonna wanna do is get some lubricant in there to make sure everything slides freely and doesn't get stuck. You also don't wanna use WD-40 as it just ends up drying things out. Get it in there. Then you're gonna move the handle up and down, get it all kind of worked in. Also make sure you're getting it on all the surfaces. Okay, now we'll put that back on. You're also gonna wanna get some in the door itself. And then push the outside to really kind of work it in. You wanna make sure everything's spinning without getting stuck. So it's the same thing in reverse, just to put it back in. You just want to make sure you're putting this into the middle hole. Okay, make sure that pin lines up. There you go. Once this is together, you're also going to want to just get a little bit more in there. You just really want to work it in. Make sure it's all lubricated so it's not getting stuck. It's also good to get some right here where the doorknob comes out. It's opening much easier now. And then obviously just clean up the excess. Okay, now we just put the inside piece on. Just goes over it like so. And put the screws in. Top and bottom. And just tighten those up. Finally, we'll just put on the doorknob. Make sure you line up that slot with the tab. There you go. Oh, so much easier. No problems. All right, let's check it out from the outside. Nice. Problem solved.